Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we'll be doing some tricks on this photo to transform this into a ripped one. As you can see, this guy over here is not quite ripped. So we have to add cuts, abs and shape on this photo to make it more ripped. So what we have to do is we have to go to this image and open it into Photoshop. Any Photoshop version you can do it. So my Photoshop version is CS6, I guess. Yeah, CS6. So then what we have to do is you have to make a copy of this layer. This. Then you have to go to this tool, burn tool. And you have to set the exposure to almost 10% or 12%. Yeah, 10% is fine. You can zoom this image. So you can see there are no cuts, nothing at all. It's actually quite flat, this image. So we have to burn the edges of this photo, to burn the cuts over this photo to make it more ripped. We have decreased the opacity, exposure of this tool to make it normal, make it look normal. By doing this, there are no prints on this photo, no sharp prints. Burn all the cuts of this photo, all the cuts. This one. As we are doing these changes in the new layer, so it won't affect our original layer. Don't make it look abnormal, but trust me, you have to do it quite precisely. Burn the edges. I guess now we are done with all the edges burned. Yep, we are done. Yeah. So, as you can see, all the changes are done to this layer, this one. We have to select this layer, then we have to go to, or you can make a copy of this layer. Then go to images and adjustments, black and white. Make this image black and white. Okay. Then we have to go to the blend mode of this layer. Then we have to select hard light. Now this will be our result. Then what we have to do is we have to go to filter, other, high pass. Make sure to adjust the radius accordingly, whatever suits your pick. You can adjust the radius. I guess 3.9 is sufficient, or 4.4. Yeah, it's sufficient. And select OK. Now this will be our image. You can see it's quite shiny. So then we have to go to the add layer mask on this layer. Add layer mask, this one, and the background is white. And we have to go to this color picker tool and select black and apply the black layer on this background. And you can press Alt and backspace. The image go back to its normal shape. Then you have to select this background layer by clicking on it. Then go to the brush tool, select any brush would be sufficient, but it must be circular, this one. Then go to opacity to almost 10%. 10% is fine. We have to brush it over on this body with white tone. white, white one, white. Brush it over smoothly on this body, this, like this. You know, the opacity is very less, so the layer beneath shows up. It maintains the, you know, image quality. You can see the cuts come up from the layer below it, and our image is quite changed. This is our final image. Or you can go back to background copy, go back to image adjustments, you can add some contrast to it or levels. Now this one you have to just increase it, and the last one you have to just make it more bright. You can see the preview, it's quite changed. Yeah, now this is our final image. Or you can add some you know, image adjustments, curves you can add by increasing this one, preview. Yeah, it's fine. So this is our final image. You can save it from file, save as, whatever you feel like, desktop. Make sure to change the format to JPEG and then save. You have to select high quality if you want a clearer image, then press OK. So now this is our final image. From here to here. So guys, thank you for watching this video, and please like and subscribe my channel. And if you like this video, press thumbs up, and make sure to follow me to get regular updates on Photoshop and other tutorials. Thank you.